our lesson today is on multiplying binomials, but we're going to have the same binomial in a row. And the square of a binomial means a binomial written twice and that's all that there is today. That's our goal. So the square of a binomial, find the product. A plus B, A plus B. So I'm literally going to do this. First, outside, inside, last. I can only FOIL with a binomial 2 by 2, right? Like a 2 by 2. A plus B, C plus D, or something like that. You can only do foiling because you're going to get 4 answers. So here we go. A plus B, A plus B. First, A squared. Outside, A times B. It's AB together. And it's a plus sign because it's positive. Inside, B times A. Write it in alphabetical order. AB. Last, B times B. B squared. So the like terms are right here. AB, AB. This is like a backpack. And it's a backpack where it has 2 variables. And that's totally fine. That's going to give me a result of 2 ABs. And I put a big 2 as the coefficient. And then AB stays. The backpack stays. Don't change the backpack. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Yeah.
Wouldn't you have to put like the one with the x1s first?
It is alphabetical order. So this is fine. A to the second power, A to the first power. And then the B squared's at the end because there is not an A. There's just a B. So that would be in standard form, proper order. So with B, let me show you something with 71. This is something that they teach young kids now. If you don't want to multiply 71 times 71, you do this. 70 plus 1 squared. And what happens is you do like 70 times 70 and then 1 times 1. And then you, or 1, I guess it's 1 plus 1. But the point is that I can separate a big number and make it easier to multiply. And that's what we're doing here. 70 plus 1 squared. So I write it twice. It's just like 71 times 71, right? 70 times 70. Do all the hoops. $70 times 70. Well, what's 7 times 7? 49. And then you just add 2 zeros. 1, 2. That's the shortcut. Outside, 70 times 1 is 70. Inside, 1 times 70 is 70. Last, 1 times 1, 1. Now, I really don't know whether this is shorter, but it's just a method that elementary school kids learn. 4,900 plus 70 plus 70 plus 1. 70 plus 70 is 140. 4,900 plus 140 plus 1. That's the math problem. And that will give me the answer. 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 4. 9 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5,041 is the answer to 71 times 71. A minus 7 squared. Write it twice. And then multiply. A squared. What's next? I did a squared. What's the next thing I'm going to multiply? A and a negative 7. Yep. Negative 7a. What's the next thing I'll multiply? Yes. Another negative 7 times a. What's the last thing I multiply? Negative 7 times negative 7. Positive 49. Good. So my like terms are these two in the middle because they both have an a to the power of 1. A squared minus 14a plus 49. And you're done. Two x plus 1. Write it twice. All right. First. Outside, inside, last. Two x times 2x. 4x squared. 2x times 1. 2x. Inside, 1 times 2x. 2x. Last, 1 times 1. Have you noticed how you can easily spot the like terms? 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Do you guys notice how, like, on this one, 7 times 7 makes 49, and 7 plus 7 makes 14? So this is a really cool, like, oh, the numbers all relate to each other. All right, 3n plus 4, 3n plus 4. Write it twice. And multiply. I don't know that you need my help, but go ahead. 3n times 3n. 9n squared. 3 times 4. 12n. Oh. 4 times 3. And of course, 4 times 4 at the end is going to be 16. 3 times 3 in the front made 9. 12 and 12. So all these numbers, the like terms are in the middle. Is this becoming easy for you? Add the 12n and the 12n, it makes 24n. Still to the first power. Okay. Let's watch the negative signs on this one. So write it twice. Go ahead. 2x times 2x. 4x squared. Oh, be careful. A 2x times a negative 7y. Outside. 2x times negative 7y. Yep.
Negative 14xy.
Negative 14, and he did it in alphabetical order. Perfect. xy. And then inside, negative 7y times 2x. It's the same thing. Negative 14xy. Are you seeing that every math problem we're doing today, the outside and the inside are the same? Because you're writing the same binomial twice. So the 14 and the 14 are going to go together. And that makes negative 28. Okay, do number 5 on your own. Okay. Someone tell me their final answer that they got.
49k.
Well, I think 1 comes first, doesn't it? Oh, in standard form. First, give me in not standard form. 1. Negative 14k. You know what? Negative 7 times negative 7 is going to be 49. Positive 49k squared. And then you are right. Putting it in standard form would be 49k squared. The negative is in front of the 14. And this is a positive 1. Good. And lastly, number 6 on your own. right, tell me the answer number 6. Janelle or Leo, have you done it? Oh, Janelle, you helped me with the last one. That was you. How about Rosalind and Miss Leo? Have you done it? Oh, but you just helped the last one. So I'm going to have someone else help me. All right, someone else. Go, Anthony.
100 squared.
Okay.
50 plus 9.
Perfect. Did you get what he got? He's right. Very good. The homework is on the next page. You must show, like what I'm doing, all of this work. This is how you show your work. Good.